Hey, what's up, Tech Fam? I'm your host, and welcome to Tag to Tech. The Oppo A6 series has more models than you may have imagined. Okay, you probably don't spend your days imagining A6 phones, but here's a new model that just launched in India. Say hello to the Oppo A6 Pro 5G. No, not this Oppo A6 Pro 5G, not the one for China either, and don't get it mixed up with the A6 Pro 4G. Yeah, we wish Oppo had picked a different name for this one. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G is powered by the Dimensity 6300 and a sizable 7,000 mAh battery. The chipset is paired with 8 gigabytes of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 to 256 gigabytes of UFS 2.2 storage. There's a microSD slot if you need more storage. The battery, meanwhile, supports 80-watt SuperVOOC charging, 33-watt PPS. After 30 minutes with an 80-watt charger, the battery can hit 54%. A full charge will take 64 minutes. Oppo promises that the battery will be in good health after 5 years of use. On a day-to-day basis, it can last up to 12 hours of MOBA gaming and nearly 22 hours of streaming videos. So far, it sounds just like the global A6 Pro 5G. The model that just launched in India has a different display, though, a 6.75-inch LCD with 720 by 1520 pixel resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB, 8-bit colors. The panel can do 900 nits of brightness and boost to 1125 nits in HBM. The global model has a 6.57-inch 1080p plus OLED instead. The rest is similar enough, e.g. the 50-megapixel camera on the back, 1080p at 60 FPS video recording, with a 2-megapixel helper module, plus the 16-megapixel selfie camera, 1080p at 30 FPS video. The Oppo A6 Pro 5G has 2 nano SIM slots with 5G NR support. Additionally, there is Wi-Fi 5.AC and Bluetooth 5.4. NFC isn't supported, and there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. At least there are stereo speakers on board. The design is similar enough, measuring 8.6 millimeters thick and weighing 216 grams. It's available in cappuccino brown and aurora gold. The body is rated IP66, IP68, and IP69. That's dust and splash proof, waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and resistant against hot water jets.